Hello, welcome back to Family Investment. This is meant for the opening bell on the 24th of September on Thursday, but I thought I'll cover something different for today. As we can see, the stock market, the futures, the next 2 weeks will be at least a very bad negative sentiment. We are on a spiral downwards. I personally cannot see anything that's positive going to be coming out of this because there's nothing in the global front end that's positive. There's no vaccine that's coming out. The coronavirus is coming out. The government supports are running out of ideas, funds, and creativity. So as us household that we have to rely on ourselves. And the stock market look really bad. And I just want to make sure that the emotional roller coaster doesn't drive your mental health or physical health. And I just want to make sure that everybody who's invested may be stressed out, maybe impacting, maybe new to this game, will be affected on your personal well-being. So I just want to make sure that everybody stays well and healthy through this really, really tough period in the financial stock market and also the world pandemic. So I've got 4 wisdom facts to share with you guys, the lessons that I've learned that I would like to share with you guys to go through this. And I myself, I'm not a robot as well. I feel it as well myself. So I thought I just want to share these 4 facts. For the first one, Alex, what's the most defensive sector to be in? What do I do? All I can say is the biggest, most defensive will be cash. Cash will be king for the next 2-3 weeks. So if you can take profit, if you've got any profits you'd like to take, or if you are all invested in, it's no harm taking profit or start saving up. So cash will be something that's going to keep your mind a bit more relaxed, a bit more cool. So at least a 10% cash, at least that's my point of view. At least 10% cash will be something that makes you feel comfortable and you can ride through the storm. If you're all fully invested in and you feel like you've got no cash and all you see is a negative deficit on your portfolio, you will feel a bit run down, like a flu that's coming on. So cash is king. Either save up, don't spend, or take some profit. There's always a healthy profit taking, because end of the day, taking that profit, it's better in the long run. If you don't make that, if it doesn't go up, you don't make that gain, it's better than making that loss. I see it that way. And the second thing is, if this emotionally it's not great for you, I would say ignore the news for at least the next 10 to 14 days. I'm speculating that things are going bad. I might be wrong, but if it goes wrong, ignore everything for the next 10, 14 days. Ignore YouTube, ignore watching me, unsubscribe from me, don't watch me for the next 2 weeks. Turn off your notification on your phone, delete your Yahoo Finance, don't see any news, because you're a long-term investor. You are a long-term investor. You're here to invest for the long term, for the future of this technology, for the future of the world, for the future of these leaders trying to make the world a better place. The likes of Mark Zuckerberg, the likes of Elon Musk, the likes of Jeff Bezos, the likes of Tim Cook. That's why you invest in all these guys, because it's for the future. So turn off all the news and do not listen to the bad news, because that's what the news will try to drive you down and nuts. And the last thing I want to do is, get a bit angry, and then it affects households. So that's what I want to share. And third, it's a long-term game. We're here, it's a long-term game. My channel is Family Investment. We're here for the long term. We're here to grow our nest, to build our nest, to bring something in future for children and retirement. We're investing in long term. When I say long term, we're talking 5, 10, 15, 20 years. We're trying to build this portfolio. So do not let the next 14 days or even 30 days volatility affect you as a person, your mindset on investing, and make it less disturbing. Just remember, write it down, as I said. And the last 4th point, which is key and crucial, and people do fall into the trap, is try to avoid short-term gain. When I say short-term gain, is people trying to gamble, is people trying to take the shortcut out, trying to, for example, number 1, if you're not experienced, do not hedge. The ideas about hedging, meaning try to short the market or try to go long on volatility VIX. People saying that hold your stocks and hedge it. If you don't know what you're doing, do not hedge. The only way to hedge, again, as a long-term investor, is just keep cash. You don't see Warren Buffett trying to hedge his fund when things goes down. He just keeps cash. So don't try the short-term game. And there's also talk about sell everything up and rebuy back lower. If it was that easy, everybody would be doing it. Because end of the day, you selling out is not going to affect the stock. It's all those institutional investors, the VIX index, those are the ones that's going to drive the game, not you selling out and buy back later. It sounds that easy, but trust me, I've seen friends and families over the years doing it, and 8 out of 10 will fail. the 2% will do well, but the second time when he tried again, he fails and he lost all his money, or he has lost the gain that he's supposed to come up. And he complained that, why did I not invest in tech back in May or in August? Because I was waiting for the big drop. So don't try the short-term game. Don't try the gambling route. You are here as a long-term investor. So this is me. I've rambled on for 5 minutes. I just want to make sure that everybody's healthy, safe, well, and stick to the long-term investment game, because the compounding, the snowball effect is the thing that you want to grow your portfolio. And I just want to make sure I get the message through, and I myself is feeling it as well. I can see negative things coming, but if I'm wrong, good news. But if I'm right, I just want to make sure I get this message out. All right, guys, have a good day, and see you hopefully in the opening bell tonight. Bye.